Boeing has begun building the F-47, the United States Air Force's first sixth-generation stealth fighter, and the Air Force expects its first flight in 2028. This is big news because the F-47 is meant to be the successor to the F-22 and to keep the United States ahead in future air wars. The plane is being developed under the Next Generation Air Dominance, or NGAD program, and top Air Force leaders have said the first airframe is already under construction. Let me explain what this means, why it matters, and what we actually know, using clear points and simple language. NGAD is not just one plane, it is a family of systems that includes a crewed fighter as the central node, plus supporting drones, new weapons, sensors, and networks. The crewed fighter produced under NGAD is being called the F-47. The idea is to move beyond the current fifth-generation fighters, like the F-22 and F-35, by making aircraft that are faster, stealthier, and able to work with autonomous drones. The Air Force and Boeing say the F-47 will have much longer range and better stealth than older fighters. So, officials announced a major contract to Boeing in March 2025 to move the program into engineering and manufacturing development. Congress and the Pentagon have provided funding to speed development. In speeches and at defense events in September 2025, Air Force leaders said the first F-47 airframe is being built, and they expect the jet to fly for the first time in 2028. That's, an aggressive schedule, but the program has been using research and X-plane test work for years to mature the technology. Because NGAD must operate in very hostile environments, the F-47 will likely emphasize improved stealth, meaning it's harder to detect on radar, long range so it can reach targets farther away without refueling, high speed, advanced sensors that can see and share information, and an open network to control drones that fly with it. The Air Force has said these elements will allow the F-47 to operate in the kind of airspace the United States expects to face from near-peer rivals. Some public reports say it will fly faster than Mach 2 and have a combat radius over 1,000 nautical miles, but a lot of details remain classified. A key change for sixth-generation thinking is that the human pilot will not be alone. The F-47 is planned to lead and coordinate multiple autonomous or semi-autonomous drones. Those drones can carry extra weapons, do reconnaissance, or take dangerous tasks that would be risky for a manned jet. This approach tries to combine the strengths of humans, like judgment and flexibility, with machines which bring endurance and numbers. Officials have repeatedly emphasized this family of systems idea. The program will cost many billions. Reporting around the contract announcement mentioned figures in the range of tens of billions for initial development and equipment. The public discussion has included a roughly $20 billion engineering and early production estimate announced in 2025. The program is politically significant because it shows a major investment in high-end air power and, because selecting Boeing over other companies affects the defense industrial base. Critics worry about cost, oversight, and whether the United States should focus more on drones than expensive manned fighters. Many technical details are still secret. History shows advanced fighter programs can face delays, cost overruns, and technical problems. The F-35 program is a recent example. There are also strategic questions. Will large numbers of expensive manned fighters be the right choice when autonomous systems and long-range missiles are changing warfare? We must watch budgets, test results, and how well the F-47 works with drones in real exercises. A powerful sixth-generation fighter will influence global military power. If the F-47 reaches production and service, it will keep the United States at the leading edge of air combat for decades. That has implications for how other countries invest. Some will accelerate their own programs while others will seek asymmetric counters such as better air defenses, cyber tools, or massed missile forces. For countries watching nearby powers, this could change regional planning and procurement choices. The F-47 is not just a new jet, It is the centerpiece of a larger plan to build a networked, longer-range, more survivable air combat force that uses manned aircraft plus drones. Boeing has started building the first airframe and the Air Force expects a first flight in 2028. Many details are still secret, costs will be high, and success is not guaranteed. But if it works, the F-47 will shape air power for decades. Watch testing, budget decisions, and how the jet operates with drones to see whether the program delivers on its promise.